How to skim coat walls. Introducing a simple method to smooth over rough or damaged walls using a special squeegee knife, this technique delivers excellent results. Materials required include sandpaper, drywall compound, masking tape, and primer. This method works best for those who only occasionally need to skim coat walls. It is foolproof and results in flat, smooth walls. It requires the use of a regular paint roller and a squeegee knife with 2 or 3 coats needed with drying time in between. The first step involves prepping the walls. A stain-blocking sealer is rolled onto the entire wall. A fast-drying, stain-sealing drywall primer helps seal loose paper and promotes better joint compound adhesion. It is important to wait for the sealer to dry before proceeding. The next step is to roll on the mud. The joint compound should be mixed to the consistency of mayonnaise before it is spread thinly on the walls. Working in small sections ensures the compound can be smoothed out before it starts to dry. The third step involves troweling the first coat. The squeegee knife is used to smooth out the joint compound. It is then drawn downwards, overlapping each vertical pass until the section is complete. The fourth step involves pulling up from the bottom. More joint compound is applied to the lower half of the wall and smoothed out by pulling the trowel upwards. Lumps are scraped off once the first coat of joint compound has dried. Finally, change directions for the second coat, each at a right angle to the previous one. Several thin layers of joint compound are applied quickly. After the final coat dries, the wall is sanded with 120 grit paper. Sand very well and remove the dust before applying the primer. Sand the walls and ceiling very well and dust the walls and ceiling before applying the primer. Call us at 917-686-6121.